This is Dufftown Station in Moray. It's on the Keith and Dufftown Railway, now a heritage line. At one time, trains ran through to Keith via Dufftown from Boat of Garton and Elgin East. Dufftown was closed to passengers in 1968, but grain traffic continued until 1991. There had been excursion trains running for a number of years from Aberdeen, the Northern Belle. When these ceased, excursion trains from London continued until round about the 1991 date. In 2003, it was reopened as part of a heritage line, the other end of the line being Keith Town. Dufftown once had its own signal box, a passing loop, a through platform and also a bay platform, and in addition there was a goods yard. The next station down the line was for a time Dremure's curlers platform. The next regular station was down at Dremure itself with its passing loop. The Great North of Scotland Railway ran the line for a number of years. It was later taken over and run by the London and North Eastern. Dufftown is the headquarters of the Keith and Dufftown Railway Association. It's also where all the motive power and rolling stock are stabled in the various sidings and the engine shed.